Let's be real. The internet is drowning in AI slop. Low effort, 24/7 bot spamming is dead. If you want to be a real brand in 2026, you need to be a professional AI influencers managers. So, welcome to Solo Flows. We just automate. We curate. You will manage every jokes, every aesthetic details, and every captions to ensure that your AI influencers feels real. We choose Notion for this because while Airtable and Google Sheets works, Notion gives us the UI advantages to see our brand breathe. Today, I'm going to show you how to command your AI empire using two methods. One is PC Notion dashboard, deep work, and Telegram while you're on the move. Phase 1, content generation. There are a few cases you will use this system. Phase 1, the full single photo post. Oh, I've got an idea? Let's bring it to life. On the PC, hit new record. Fill in your topic and select your content pillar, format, post date, channel. If you're confused about pillars, format, check out Have You Ever Been a Professional Creator Influencers course. Make sure the channel is set to Instagram, just Instagram only. One of the things you must note is the guideline. This is your director note. Tell the AI the structures of the captions and what's happening in the photo. Leave it blank if you want the AI to take the lead. And then you set the status to W full. Give the brain 6 to 10 minutes to cook. The longer it is, the better the quality. When you come back, the captions is in the post field and the photo is in the thumbnail. Status is now submit to review. On Telegram, it's even faster. Type / then select W for single post. Drop the topic and hit send. The bot handles the rest and pings you when the Notion entry is ready. One note thing, in order to see the post, you should have had the Notion app in your phone. Case 2, the carousel. Carousels are king of engagement. The process is identical to case 1. But make sure your channel is set to Instagram carousel. Let's count together and see how long it took in real time, shall we? Let's speed up 5 times. Maybe too slow? Make it 10. On Telegram, use the command wfull carousel post. The system will generate a cohesive narrative across multiple slides instead of just one shot. Case 3. Refining the caption. Your image is perfect, but the caption needs more vibe. Then you need to change it. In PC, you edit your guidelines to specify. the new tone and flip the status to W post. Voila! Here we go. Case 4 and 5. Perfecting the visual. Sometimes the AI misses the look. To change the image prompt, you adjust the guideline description and set status to WImage prompt. This updates the code behind the image. To generate a new image, once your prompt is locked in, set the status to G-image. Here's the pro tip. Always tweak the prompt first, or the AI might just give you the slight variation of the same previous field. Case 6. Manual adjustments. This is where you earn the manager title. You get sick of the AI keep failing you? Cool, do it yourself then. In Notion, PC or mobile version, you can manually edit anything. Rewrite the line yourself or upload a custom visual. The headline is too boring? Change it in headline slot. Captions too long? Cut it in post slot. JSON image prompt is too complicated and you don't understand the shit? Write your own prompt. Want to use a random photo of yours? Upload that file to the thumbnail slot. Want to post a video? Upload that video file, which must be under 5 MB, directly into the thumbnail slot. You are in control of everything. The final step. Once it's perfect, change the status to approved. This is a green light for the system so it knows that your post is ready to be uploaded, whether it's manual uploading or scheduling. Phase 2. See the vibe. Organization is the differences between a hobby and a business. Use the table view to see the list of your posts. This is a user view, but it's boring. You hardly know all of your posts you have made will look like in the overall profile in Instagram. So, use the gallery view to see your grid aesthetic before you post. If the color clash, you see it here fast. Phase 3. Going live. You have 2 ways to push content to Instagram. Option 1. The schedule route. Set your post date. If the status is approved, the system will auto post the exact day in the table and time you set up in the mix-up scenario. Set it and forget it. Option 2. The manual trigger. Want it live now? Change the status to upload. It won't work on Notion dashboard, PC or mobile version. Once the post hits Instagram, the status will automatically flip to published. You are no longer just a spectator in the AI revolution. You're the director. Use the dashboard to stay consistent, stay high quality, and most importantly, stay professional. You want to know the secret ingredient for this system? Follow the next chapter. Goodbye.